Looking for your dream home that's ready to move in? This is it. Ready for occupancy na. With only 5% down payment, pwede mo nang maangkin ang sarili mong bahay. Located sa Talon Village, Las Piñas City. Sobrang accessible. Malapit lang sa PMMS Las Piñas Campus, Robinson's Place Las Piñas, Monok Wet Market, Colors Mall at SM South Mall. Lot area nito ay 75 square meter at ang floor area ay 140 square meter. May 4 bedrooms, 3 toilet and bath, and 1 car garage. Ang dami ng kasama. Brand new cooktop and range hood. 1,000 liters water tank plus water pressure system, modular cabinets, internet ready na. Plus points pa dahil malapit ito sa mga malls, schools, churches, supermarkets, and hospitals. Flood-free ang area at gated and secured village pa. Total contract price nito ay 9.4 million inclusive of transfer tax na. Interested? Mag-schedule na ng tripping. Message or call Miss Glenna Cabonillas at 0967-520-7287. Available sa WhatsApp and Viber. Your new home is waiting.